So now we are going to solve the question number 31. In question number 31, there are 57 apples, right? Question number 31. Apples 527. Then pears 646, and last oranges 748. Now these are to be arranged in a heaps containing same number of fruits. What we have to do? We have to make the heap of these all fruits, and these all heaps will contain same number of fruits. Same number of fruits. Either it is apple, pears or oranges. If suppose in one heap there are 10 oranges, then 10 apples in second, and third in 10 pears, right? So for that they are asking you the greatest number of fruits possible in each heap. So we will find the SCF, right? SCF of these three numbers, and we will divide the addition of these three number of fruits by that SCF, and we will get the same number of fruits in each heap, right? So what we will do, first we will take the two numbers, that is 527 and 646, and by division method we are going to find the SCF. So I am taking it greatest number inside 646, and this is 527. Now what we are going to do, we will divide. So naturally it is 527 ones are, so I will 616 minus 7 9, 13 3 minus 2 1, 6 5 1 1 9. Again I am dividing 527 by 119. So what happened, 119 fours are, right? Because 100 fours are 400, so 119 fours are, it would be 476, right? So 7 minus 6 1, 12 minus 7 5, 4 minus 4 0. Now by 51 we will divide 119. Now you can give the answer easily. 51 twos are, it is 102. Yes. So 9 minus 2, 7, 1 and 0. Now by 17, you know the 51 come by on which place? 3. 17 3s are 51. Means our SCF is not, it is SCF, it is the SCF of two numbers, right? So I will write SCF of 527 and 646 is 17, right? It is 17. Now we will divide by 17 to the third number, that is 748. So 17 fours are 68, again 68 remaining, and it is 68. So last remainder is 0. So what is our SCF? So naturally it is 17. SCF, last SCF is 17. Now we have to find the number of same number of fruits in each heap, right? Suppose if I am making such kind of heap, so I want same number. Suppose if this is x, then this is x, and this is x, right? So what we will do, we will use this 17 SCF 17 to divide the sum of the three fruits numbers, that is 1 5 27 646 plus 748, 70. So what we will get? Now we have to find this x equal to. So x equal to what? What is the sum? Yes, think about that. 8 plus 6 plus 7, 21, 2 is remaining, 4, 4, 8, 8, 10, 12, 1 is remaining, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Isn't it? 1921, all of you got. Now we will divide 17 by 17, we will divide 1921. 17 ones are 17, 2, 17 ones are 17, 5, 17 threes are. So how many fruits in one heap? That is 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3. Right? So in this way, each heap contain 1, 1, 3. Thank you, student. So from this question number 31, you can solve the homework, that is question number 29 and 30. They are on the same topic. We have to find the greatest possible length in 29 problem, and in 30 number problem find the capacity of container which can measure the milk of the container in exact number of times. So all these are related to the SCF. We have to find the LCF by division method, and you will able to definitely solve this problem. So please try it, right? Thank you.